All right, let's close out this energy vampire series. How to rebuild your energy after years of being drained. Let's talk about the part nobody ever covers. How to rebuild your energy field after years of being drained. When you finally cut off an energy vampire, the work doesn't end there. You still have to restore the parts of yourself that they depleted. Here's what that actually looks like. First, you stop carrying emotional weight that doesn't belong to you. When you've been surrounded by draining people, your nervous system gets trained to brace for impact. Rebuilding starts when you release responsibility for anything that isn't yours. Second, remove yourself from environments that constantly drain your energy. Growth requires space, healing requires separation, and expansion requires an atmosphere that actually supports who you're becoming. Third, repair your throat chakra. Energetic draining often shows up as silencing yourself, holding back your truth, or minimizing your voice. Rebuilding means speaking from clarity instead of fear and choosing honesty over self-suppression. Fourth, regulate your field through routine, sleep, hydration, sunlight, movement. These are the anchors that stabilize your energy when it's been stretched thin for too long. Structure rebuilds the aura. 5, stop over explaining. Explaining leaks energy. Justifying leaks energy. Defending leaks energy. Rebuilding means conserving your power and communicating with clarity instead of over disclosure. 6, treat your energy like currency because it is. If something doesn't offer a return, it doesn't get access. No more running energetic overdrafts. Your field is your investment. Protect it like one. 7, allow the identity to shift. The version of you that tolerated draining dynamics cannot be the version that rebuilds. Reconstruction requires becoming someone stronger, clearer, and less available for fucking chaos. Finally, understand that some timelines cannot support the upgraded version of you. When your energy evolves, anything that doesn't match your frequency naturally just falls away. Rebuilding isn't just recovery, it's alignment with your higher self, with your highest timeline. The reason why you came to this freaking hell to begin with. This is how you restore your field. This is how you reclaim your power. And this is how you make sure the draining never happens again. 252 on that timer, a sign for me. I hope this series helped some individuals out there. I know the comments, I'm seeing the comments from everybody. So thank you for showing the love. I appreciate it. And I just realized I said the TY word. Still working on that one. Like I said, this one's going to be a effing challenge because, you know, we say it a lot. I feel like saying it, it's like how, what is it? Chefs in the like late 80s, early 90s, like sprinkle that parsley like on the rims of plates. Like everyone says thank you, like fucking tossing parsley on a plate as garnish. But if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons, interact, because this lovely app tracks all the things that we do. And I get points for that, so much appreciated to the ones that are showing love. Come back for what I drop next. If some topic pops into your brain, drop it in the comments because that might be your spirit team nudging me. So let me know.